Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in a fake shadow light to your videos or photos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use like a random background for this. First, you're going to want to use a video that is indoors. You can add in the PNG yourself by just like finding like window shadows on like PNG and just like adding it on top. It's already pretty like sheer, so you don't have to adjust the opacity. You can also go to effects here, go to video effects and go to light and choose the effect you want. There's these blinds one, there's also this one, there's also this window one, and there's also that one and this one as well. I quite like the sunset one because it has some color to it. You can also adjust the speed here as well, and the atmosphere. I don't think it makes that big of a difference, but that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!